Good morning, fellow riders. This is morning of our fourth and last day of a motorcycle camping trip. We are leaving this campsite and it's time to go home. So we will have maybe like 7-8 miles of a dirt road and then it will mostly be pavement. It was a great trip, really nice weather. It seems from tomorrow we are expecting some more showers. But I'm also very happy to go back home. And here we go. A bit of mud. As snow is melting. Okay, so here we are on our main dirt road. It's mostly gravel again, hopefully not too loose. So here it's pretty actually easy. We can do 30-40 miles without any problem. And it shouldn't last for very long before we reach pavement. And then it will be mostly pavement to home, except of maybe we will visit Lynx Pass. Just short excursion there, maybe like half hour to check it out and then continue toward Granby, Vertical Pass and our way back home to Superior. Hopefully not too much of these washboards because they are really annoying. Everything is shaking under those and there's not too much you can do. Maybe stand up. I'm not sure if that's an option for a lazy Dalmatian like me. Couple of words about suspension that I have here. I really cannot be happier how bike is handling this terrain. It's not that this is like very technical terrain, but still we had some pretty nasty washboards. We had like ruts, you know, it's loose gravel, all those things. And originally, you know, with the original suspension, definitely that would be more challenging. This is really nice. Big shout out to Ted Porter from Beamer Shop for the rear Wilbur shock. We spent a lot of time talking about what would be the best option for me, and that's a, you know, prime customer support that you are getting from that guy. So it's not that you are buying something just off shelf, but they are going to make it working for you for your particular weight, which is really nice. On the front I have raised accumulators. You probably saw episode where I'm installing those on Restoration R75/7 project. So same setup is in this bike, and it's really doing amazing job. Good thing is that is also customized setup to the rider, and it behaves fabulously. So I'm very happy with that. Not saying that there are not other also good options out there available, but this is what worked for me the best. So if you are wondering what tire setup I'm using, I'm actually running Dunlop Trail, Mission Trail Max, something like that, and I'm very happy with them. So far I have maybe like 4,000 miles on them, couple of trips, and they performed really well in all kind of conditions. They are great in wet, on a pavement, they are great on a gravel. The only thing where they don't work that much is mud. So if you are running a lot of mud, I wouldn't consider these tires. Otherwise they are really good. This bike is actually pretty easy on tires, so I think I shouldn't have a problem having them more than 10,000 miles, which is great because they are not the cheapest option out there, but really nice tire. The only thing I heard it might be a challenge is if you have a flat tire on a trail, replacing them because of that very hard wall can be a problem. Knock on a wood or my head, I didn't need to experience that. Let's see how it will go. This bike does not have tubeless wheels, so I run these tires with tubes inside, and that makes it a bit more challenging to, you know, to fix the leak if you end up having a flat tire. But so far it's been pretty good. Okay, fellas, our stomachs are full again and we continue our trip toward Gore Pass. It's like 2 miles to the pass and then we will start going down toward Kremlin and Granby, some of those cities, Winter Park, finally Berthaud Pass, and that's where we are going. It was a gorgeous 4 days riding. Hopefully we get home before some of these storms start. The weather forecast says tomorrow and Tuesday we should get some rain, so I hope we'll avoid that. what to say, this was another amazing trip with these guys, and until some next time, goodbye folks, and goodbye beautiful mountains.